So there is a reason why this video is starting in low light. So this is my OnePlus Nord which I got just today, and going through the phone itself after a couple of hours, I am noticing few display issues on my Nord itself. So this here is my Pixel 2 XL, the oldie, and I trust this device a lot. And after going through a couple of articles trying to recreate the display band, I'm not even trying to recreate, the display is actually really faulty. So in spite of the pink tilt, the green tilt, or whatever that is, I have also found another issue regarding the hole punch. So we'll just quickly take a look at what issues I'm facing. So first things first, I'll just turn down all the brightness for now. So here we are in pitch dark, and this has been recorded with my iPhone XR, a cell phone. So basically what we'll do is I'll just quickly open Chrome on my Pixel. So this on my left is a Pixel and this is a OnePlus Nord. So I'll just open Chrome real quick and I'll put the brightness to 100%. There we go. And then I'll switch to dark mode on my Nord. The dark, apply. And then I'll open Chrome on my Nord as well. There we go. Again, brightness to 100%. There it is. And as you can see on my OnePlus Nord, you do see, or you can see, some pink tint to the display. If I just tilt the display to left and right, as you can see on the left, that is my Pixel with again OLED display, and on the right is the OnePlus Nord, and you can actually see how pink the display gets on the OnePlus Nord itself. There you can see. And on my Pixel, as you can see, it is clean and clear Chrome, but on the Nord you do have issues regarding the pink tint. For me, I don't have green tint issues, like not that I can see on my device, but I do definitely see the pink tint on my OnePlus Nord. So keeping the Pixel aside for a second, there's another thing that I found that had to do with the OnePlus Nord is, as you can see on the top. So if I zoom in real quick and if I turn down the brightness to the minimum, I don't know if you guys can see or not, but there is actually a band. I'll just increase the brightness real quick, and if you can see, the hole punch is actually, so now I've zoomed in even more, and if you can see, there's a line going from the hole punch to the status bar, and it's actually pretty dark as compared to the status bar itself. I'll post a picture on the screen of what I'm trying to show you guys, and you can check it out yourself on your device if you're having that issue or not. But on my device, if I don't know if you guys can see or not, but I am actually facing that issue as well. So two of the issues that basically I mentioned in this video is the pink tint on Chrome on the maximum brightness or the highest brightness, and the hole punch banding. I don't know if that's what it is called, but I can also see that on my unit itself. So yeah, I mean, this should basically define if you guys want to like buy the OnePlus Nord or not. I might replace this unit or probably return it. I am not sure about this. If this bothers me a lot daily, I'll probably issue a return, but if this doesn't bother me a lot, I'll probably keep the device because I do like the device in itself. So yeah, those were the two things that I was talking about in the video. So yeah, those were the two issues that I found on my OnePlus Nord on this device itself. I definitely recommend you guys to check it out as soon as you get your unit, because this is another display issue like the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. I mean, sorry, I think only the 8 Pro, right? So yeah, if this thing bothers you, please do not order the OnePlus Nord, and I don't think it is going to be fixed within or with a software update. That's just not going to happen. I'll keep you guys updating in the future if this thing bothers me or not, or if this goes down with a software update. OnePlus has, I think, promised a software update to fix this, but I'm really not sure if that's gonna fix the issue or not. But yeah, for now that is pretty much it. This was my OnePlus Nord, and let me know if you guys have those issues as well in the comment section down below. I mean, people that actually own the Nord as of now, do let me know if you guys also face this particular issue, Other than that, this device is actually really good. I am liking this form factor a lot. It is really lightweight, and I have already made a video on my initial impressions. The link for that will be in the description as well, so I'd recommend you guys to check that out. But for now, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.